Hey, I appreciate for watching this video, and if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on so you don't miss any update. Let's take a look at Cellular Network. Last time we looked at Cellular Network was yesterday, October the 8th. Here is a quick recap of the video that was uploaded on my Maxim channel. Tremendous. Cellular ran up to about almost 17 cents and started to retrace. So right now we don't have enough data points, but let's say if Cellular were to consolidate around this point, then it could potentially form a bull flag. With the momentum that we're seeing here in terms of the value, possibility for breakout is very high, and a breakout of this bull flag could easily take Cellular to about 19, and with the momentum it could easily run up and retest this all-time high. So no doubt Cellular is looking extremely bullish right now. Switch over to the daily chart. Chart is definitely looking very bullish. Volume pick up drastically. The stochastic oscillator is showing a crossover where the blue signal line crosses over and it's leading the red line. Cellular is in this very near the oversold territory. So definitely it will still have a lot more room to run up. The only thing that I see here is the Bollinger Band. The band is still wide. I am not sure it is ready to support another spike up in price. So I hope that Cellular is going to prove me wrong. But based on what I see here, everything looks great. But I don't believe that Cellular is ready to move past the 17 cents and then retest the all-time high within the next couple of days. It is very likely that it will consolidate but trade over this 10 days moving average for at least another 4 or 5 days. Then depends on how Bitcoin perform. If Bitcoin stabilize or trend up, then we will see Cellular break out and retest this all-time high and potentially reach our target price of 27 cents. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Cellular Network, and the data I have is to 8:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on October the 9th. Cellular spike up ran all the way up to about 19.9 cents. But then after that, it started to drop like a rock. So far, it is down about 9% and trading below 16 cents. So what is wrong with Cellular? Well, there is nothing wrong with Cellular. Cellular is behaving exactly like how I anticipated. Let me go over. Let's look at Cellular Network on 1 minute chart so we can examine how the price behaved since yesterday. We were looking at Cellular Network right around this point when it trended up to about 17 cents and retraced. So it was building this bull flag. Momentum was very strong. Cellular broke out, ran up, momentum pushed it all the way to about 19.39 cents. But then it get rejected, and since then it's been retracing. Now Cellular is stabilizing, so that is a good sign. The question is why Cellular was not able to continue to trend higher and cross over this blue line, which is the all-time high. Switch back to the daily chart. The answer to that question, based on my opinion, is the Bollinger Band. Like I said yesterday, the Bollinger Band, even though it is contracting, but right now it is still too wide. And when the Bollinger Band is wide, that is an indication that the momentum hasn't built up enough. And when you don't have enough momentum, it is going to be extremely difficult for Cellular Network or any other crypto to be able to make major run up in price. The Bollinger Band needs to contract more, get very close to right around this point. Everything else looks great. The chart is looking extremely bullish. So there's nothing wrong with Cellular Network. All likely is Cellular Network would consolidate and trade sideways over this 10-day moving average to get the Bollinger Band contract more. So for the next few days, we will see Cellular trading sideways like this. But it will retest the all-time high and run to our target price of 27 cents once the momentum is there enough to support this major spike up in price. So for now, just hang tight and wait for Cellular to do what it needs to do. Let's take a look at the Rip Van Winkle of crypto, BitTorrent. The last time I looked at BitTorrent was on October the 3rd. Here is recap of the video that was uploaded on my VidMaxim channel. And that's it for this video.